Yapping is the real oil money in airdrop. Do you actually believe that people made this kind of money in Yapping? Look at this. Also check this and this. So these were all made by just talking about an airdrop on X. So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, do well to follow us on X and join our Telegram platform, because we are planning a kind of a collaborative means by which you can actually maximize this Yapping so that the whole community, every one of us, will actually benefit. We have a community of around 14,000 on Telegram. So we have this plan to actually make sure every one of us benefit from this Yapping. So find yourself on my X account and on my Telegram channel. You will love it. Now coming to this Yapping, to simply put, Yapping simply means talking about a particular project. You know, the airdrop as we know it have actually evolved from the farming and the one we've actually known before to what we now call Yapping, talking about a particular project. So we have a situation right now that even the farmers are getting neglected, ineligible, whereby the yappers, people that are talking about this project on X, are being rewarded. So in order not to be left behind, because about 2 or 3 projects are listed this month, rewarded yappers and neglected the farmer. So in order not to be left behind in this turn of events, that is why you have to take this video as serious as possible. So now, how do you actually yap about this project? The first thing you need to do is to actually register on Kaito account. And when you register, use this link, and you're going to log in with your X account. Then you grant approval, then you find yourself in your Kaito account. Then follow this procedure to get started. So before you register, make sure you turn on your VPN. So if you are using system, make sure you install Windscribe VPN on your Chrome browser. Then if you are using mobile phone, you can use any VPN of your choice. Started. So after your login, then you proceed to your profile to connect your wallet. And after connecting your wallet, you connect your Ethereum wallet and your Solana wallet. Then when you are done setting up your account, then you are good to go in Yapping. So immediately after that, the next thing you need to do is to actually check from the end section in your Kaito the number of tokens that are available that you can start yapping about, as you can see from here. So after selecting your preferred token, for now I'm going to be talking about the Bless network. You get the point. So this is the Bless network. So now all you need to do is to proceed to your X account and make sure you talk about them just like this. And for you to actually earn faster in this, you have to actually engage with active yappers, people that are active, that are also doing the same thing you're actually doing, so that you and them can actually engage in talking about this project. Take for instance, if I'm yapping and you are yapping and we are collaborating together to actually yap together faster. If I make a post about Bless Network, for example, you comment on the post, you also you yap on the post, you follow me, you like my post, you engage with my post, then I reciprocate the same thing to your own. So we are both engaging on each other's post about the project we are actually talking about. That is what is called what? Yapping. So it has to do with an active community talking about the project. You understand? Then at the end of the day, you end your yap and then you actually move higher on the ladders, but then you are get rewarded for doing that. A lot of people actually make thousands of dollars on this, performing this simple task, and we cannot be left behind. If you are interested in this yapping, the first thing, make sure you register on Kaito, then join my X, follow me on X, then join my Telegram channel, because we have a large community of about 14,000 community on Telegram. So we want to leverage on these numbers and actually make sure we actually yap together and earn together. So if you want to join my team in the yapping, make sure you check the link in the description and the comment section of this video. Let's yap together and make money together. And eventually you also grow your X account. I win, you win, we all win together. Is that clear? So drop your thoughts in the comment section of this video and make sure you follow the simple step I've highlighted. See you at the top in the yapping.